Good day, I am Gunath Ombanya and I will be discussing the advantage and disadvantages of small business. The advantages of a small business is independence and control. Syempre, nadyo kay freedom sa imuhang business and napo kay control if naa kay small business, if owner ka. Flexibility, yes, more flexible in their schedules, maka-accommodate pa kag personal space nimo, like maka ginhawa pa kagamay and kay small business pa man. So potential, next is potential for high profits. So makagunit pug kag kaning high profits kung sa income sa small business, income pud nimo. Pero ma-separate gyapon kay na may mga bayronon gyapon sa business nimo. And then next, direct interactions with customers. So maka-direct pug kag kaning ila-ila sa mga customer nimo, maka-friend pug ka, makakuha pug kag kaning mga wants nila, needs nila kung sa ilang gusto na unsay butang sa imuhang small business, makakuha pug ka ana. And then opportunity for creativity and innovation. So yes, og makakuan ka og direct interaction with customers, makakuha pug kag idea ana og maka differentiate ka sa products or services from competitors. Analyze ka ba kung unsay wala sa imuhang small businesses ug unsay naa sa sa pikas na competitor. And then last, potential for personal growth. Maka-acquire ka anig dili lang ka like na maligya lang, but naka-acquire kag skills and knowledge in areas such as marketing, finance, and operations. If naay advantages, naapoy disadvantages such as financial risk, uncertainty of income, work-life balance, responsibility and stress, customer service challenges, administrative tasks, and limited resources. So akong gitaka ganina is ang advantages. So karon is disadvantages. Financial risk, kanina sa advantages, high profit like high potential for high profit. So kani financial risk. So dili man jud tanan nga na man jud risk. Kailangan mo jud ka mo take og risk if mo build up kag small business. Kailangan jud na illustration tanawa, mga sharks, mga loans nga na, you need to take risk. And then uncertainty of income, dili pod siya like kada adlaw dako siya income. Tanawa ang illustration, weather lang. Dili pod siya like kaning na jud siya panahon nga like dili siya kaayo kusog ang business na imong gi-build. And then next is work-life balance. Kini ang akong gikuan is flexibility, katong sa advantages flexibility, but naapod siya disadvantages like work-life balance if you are not single. Kanang mga pamilyado na unya na small business kana mo yung murag struggle kaayo sa owner or kaning mga owners na kaning na mga anak ingana. Then fourth is responsibility and stress. So owning a small business is simple, naa jud siya responsibility and stress, di jud siya mawala kay businessman. Business is business, naagid na siya stress, napo na siya responsibility as a owner. And then fifth, customer service challenges. So whether it is bad or good, kailangan gid nimo na ma-face, like kailangan gid nimo i-handle ug maayo. Tama ang punto sa advantages, makakuha kag skills para ingani na skills like maka-identify ka kung unsaon nimo pag approach sa customer. Mo na siya si customer service challenges. Number 6, administrative task. So kani dagan po kani siya task like kaning mag-handle or mag-handle og such as bookkeeping, inventory management, and regulatory compliance, mag-asikaso sa mga papeles sa small business. Ikaw gid tanan ang mag-handle ana, since small businessman and you are the owner, dili man siya big business, di pud ka makasugo-sugo. It's because starter pa man ka, nagtake pa man kag risk, small pa siya, nagtigi-tigi pa ka para mo lago siya. So 7, last, limited resources. So tama, small, it means small. So, small businesses may have limited resources compared to larger companies, which can make it challenging to compete effectively in the market and invest in growth opportunities. So, hinay-hinay lang if mag-build og small business, dili man jud na mawala ang mga struggles, mga challenges if naa kay business. Naman jud na, pero don't give up lang sa mga na kakuan-kuan ng mga small businesses na wala jud sila ni give up, and then dili lang jud siya mag-give up, and then padayon lang sa paglambo silang kuan, padayon lang sila pag-improve sa ilahang business. Mao lang to, and thank you.